Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to discuss the latest prediction of Mr. Crypto Galaxy. He's calling for 100x turbo. Let's look on the video, shall we?
20% of meme coin. This could still make millionaires with a Coinbase list. It's already on Coinbase, and it's a $118 million market cap. So there's very easy 100x potential in Turbo for the bull run. Dude, if Turbo hits 40 billion market cap, we're looking at a 300x, and it's gonna hit like 50 cents, 70 cents, or even up to $1.
Bro, what? What? 40 billion market cap from 100 million is the guy. What he is, he's smoking, man. This guy is a legend, man. He's just a legend, man. Like, how can he talk with such a certainty on this kind of insane valuation, man? This guy is funny as hell, man.
Man, he's so funny. He's always talking about in the bull market, in the bull market, in the bull market, as if the last 2 years were a bear market or something, man. Like there was no bull market so far. Like what is? Oh, maybe he's talking about 2029 CM or something like that. Because I don't know, man. His predictions are he's smoking something for sure, man. He smokes Ghost Alive, man.
He talked about
What?
2025. This was
I know.
the 2025 turbo price prediction,
For
man.
sure.
What? 50 cents, 70 cents. Let's look on the chart, man.
Man, let's look at the chart for
Let
Pepe
me
for
show you the
sure. For
chart
Turbo,
of
sorry.
turbo. One sec. Turbo. I'll show you the big chart. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so look, this is turbo or turbo, like he likes to say. Now, look, turbo. He's calling for this price. Okay, like 50 cents in 2025. Okay, you know, from here we're talking about a move of 30x, okay, around 30x, 27x, okay. That's a lot, man. Okay, that's a lot. That and look, this is irresponsible thing to do to his audience, because his audience are going to buy, okay. They're going to buy turbo now, expecting of 100x's, 100x or 300x's, and they're probably not gonna get it Jomo, because turbo is it looks like it's cooked, man. For me,
CM. Come
yeah,
on, CM. Come on, CM. Show from the bottom of the peak bottom of Turbo it until the peak top. It made 20,000%. Okay, that's a 200x right there. Okay, so he's calling for another 300% from here. Okay, so
300x,
not
300x.
he's calling for it's calling for more. He's calling for I think more. I think he said. I
Is
think maybe 30. Maybe it's my bad. Sorry. But I think he's calling he said 40 billion, right? From 100 million. I think
yeah,
that's a almost a 400, man. That's a lot. That's like insane valuations. That look, it can't be that after a coin made, 200x, right? 20,000% from the lows till the high. Now it's correcting. He's expecting another 300%. Okay, that's insanity. That won't happen. I don't see it happening for Turbo at all, actually, to be honest. Okay. Now, I'm not a clairvoyant. I don't know. Maybe anything can happen in the next 10 years. Maybe Turbo is going to be the next meme coin of the United States government reserve. I have no idea. But that's not going to happen now. All right. Probably not going to happen in future as well, but probably not going to happen now. Actually, what I would argue that might happen now is a continued downtrend actually is more probable than a continuation of a 300% CM. I don't know, man. That's my thoughts about Turbo. Turbo below the 200-day moving average. Turbo is in a bear market right now, okay? And I think Crypto Galaxy, as you said, I think he's so irresponsible, right? He doesn't care. I think he's such an egotistical person. He doesn't care about any of his viewers at all. The only thing he cares about is his own money making machine, and that is it. Because he's trying to feed that machine for people to continuously getting hope so they stay with him. But with all honesty, man, he's a dangerous person. That's what I think. I think he's dangerous. What do you think, CM?
yeah, man. Crypto Galaxy is insane. Really, I like him because he's funny, but really, do not buy his picks. It is very, very dangerous. If you want to trade his picks, just put his coins on your radar and look for entries. At the moment, Turbo is rubbish. It is in a bear market, okay, as long as it's below the 200 AMA. If it suddenly come up above the 200, hold above the 200, stay above the 200, start an uptrend, then you buy. You don't buy downtrend. There is a high risk that it will continue going lower in the next months.
Exactly. And for all those people, CM, that say, what, you're going to buy at a higher price? If you can buy now, why not
Yes.
buy now? I tell them, because you wait for a confirmation. I prefer to pay higher prices for higher probability trade, okay, that I can be concentrated with conviction in it, with low risk, high asymmetric reward, than to gamble my money at a place because I'm just looking to buy lower. Stop with that false mentality of trying to buy low and instead shift it to become a professional investor, a professional trader that doesn't care about the price, cares about the confirmation, cares about the risk management, cares about the high reward to small risk. That's how you think like a trader. That's how you think like an investor. Stop with the supermarket mentality, crypto galaxy nonsense, man. See, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, guys, all the turbo investors and traders, we are inviting you to join our community because when turbo will start another bull market, we're gonna trade it, my friend. You go back to my channel, to our channel, last year, 2024, March or February, I'm not sure, or May,
May.
Turbo went 10x. What do you think we did? We bought the breakout, made it 10x. You know, we are ready to jump into a turbo mega trade when it will present itself. At the moment, it is highly risky, bearish. If you buy now, maybe you're going to catch a little bounce. But in the big picture, it is in a bear market. You don't buy bear markets. Do yourself a favor, sir. Stop with the nonsense. Join a community of traders. Join our community. We're going to teach you and show you how to buy a coin, when to buy a coin, how to scale into a coin, how to take profits from your coin, how to spot reversal. Now you have a bear market top for Turbo. Turbo is in a bear market, man. You don't buy bear markets. You got to put it in your mind. Most crypto bros, they buy bear markets. Why? Because they're dumb and uneducated and they're new. They never experienced a bear market. We did. You don't buy bear markets. You short it or you stay in cash. We're going to teach you everything you need to know, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you like Turbo and if you like trading crypto, join our community, man. Really, it's a life changing. Invest in yourself now, man. Stop wasting time watching these moron YouTubers like Mr. Galaxy that they will get you wrecked again and again and again and again. Stop doing that to yourself. Start learning how to trade crypto. Find an edge, find the new leaders. Right now, we actually have some nice signs of the crypto market. We have some nice trades setting up for bullish moves. So if you like to participate in these trades, we invite you all to join our community. Link below. And remember, no edge.
No trade. Cheers, everybody.